Today, we're delving into the physical traits that younger women find utterly irresistible in older men. We'll explore these traits, shedding light on what exactly captures their attention and why. Ready to discover what makes you magnetically attractive to the younger crowd? Let's dive in. 1. Distinguished hair. Let's take a peek at the world of distinguished hair. Gray or silver strands aren't just signs of aging. They are badges of life's experiences and wisdom. Why do these shades captivate so much? Let's explore. Gray and silver hair on an older man can be incredibly attractive, especially when it's well cared for. It exudes a sense of maturity and stability, but it's not just the color that matters, it's how it's styled and maintained. A well-groomed head of hair, whether it's a full mane or a neatly trimmed style, speaks volumes about a man's attention to detail and self-respect. Now, think about the message it sends. This isn't just about embracing age, it's about wearing it proudly. It's about showing that you're comfortable in your skin and confident in your journey. This confidence is inherently appealing. Think about George Clooney or Anderson Cooper. Their hair is a statement of elegance and sophistication. It's not just the color that attracts, it's the whole package with the style, the care, and the attitude that accompanies it. In a world where youth is often celebrated, distinguished hair truly stands out, and that, in itself, is irresistibly attractive. 2. Smelling good. Smelling good is an essential part of your overall appeal, but it's a delicate balance. Why does this matter? Let's get into it. Firstly, a good scent is a silent yet powerful communicator. It's not about drenching yourself in cologne, but rather choosing a subtle fragrance that complements your natural aroma. This approach shows that you care about your presentation and are considerate of those around you. A simple, clean scent suggests sophistication and attention to detail. Your breath is equally important. Nothing can disrupt a conversation faster than bad breath. Regular dental hygiene is a must, and keeping mints or gum handy is a smart move, especially after meals or coffee. It's about being prepared and showing that you value not just your own comfort, but also that of others. Remember, smelling good isn't just about the fragrance you choose. It also shows your overall hygiene. Regular showers, fresh clothes, and a neat appearance all contribute to how you are perceived. The goal is to exude a fresh, welcoming vibe, not an overpowering scent. A well-chosen fragrance can make a lasting impression, subtly enhancing your presence and leaving a positive, lasting impact. 3. Well-groomed appearance. Now, let's talk about the magic of a well-groomed appearance. You may ask, how important is grooming really? Let's dive into the details. A well-groomed appearance in an older man is like a classic novel in a leather-bound cover. It never goes out of style and always catches the eye. It's not about chasing trends or looking like a model from a magazine. It's about taking care of oneself, which reflects self-respect and a sense of pride. Whether it's a neatly trimmed beard or a smooth shave, it's the effort that counts. Think about it. A man who pays attention to his grooming is sending out a message that he values himself and how he presents to the world. It's about the subtle art of taking care of one's skin, hair, and overall hygiene. These little details can be incredibly attractive as they suggest a level of sophistication and attention to detail. Moreover, grooming is more than skin deep. It's an expression of personality. Whether you prefer a classic cologne or a neat haircut, these choices speak volumes about who you are. They show that you're not just riding through the years, but living them with style and grace. I hope you're finding this video intriguing so far. If you are, why not show a little support? A quick like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. 4. Fitness and health. Let's switch gears and focus on the role of fitness and health. You might wonder, how significant is maintaining fitness in the context of attraction? Let's dive into that. Staying fit and healthy is more than just a physical pursuit. It is a sign of self-care and respect. For older men, maintaining fitness is about showing that you value your well-being and are committed to staying active and vibrant, regardless of age. It's not about sporting six-pack abs or running marathons. Fitness in older age isn't just a physical attribute, but proof of your discipline and a positive mindset. It reflects an attitude of embracing life and its challenges. This vitality and zest are inherently appealing, especially to younger women who value energy and enthusiasm for life. Moreover, fitness goes beyond just the physical appearance. It's about the energy you bring into a room, the way you carry yourself, and the vibrancy of your spirit. It's about being able to share adventures, experiences, and activities, creating bonds over shared interests and dynamic interactions. Fitness and health are not just about looking good, but about feeling good and living life to the fullest. They signal to the world that you're not just aging, but aging gracefully, with passion, and that's incredibly attractive. 5. Style and fashion sense. Let's shift our focus to the intriguing world of style and fashion sense. Ever wonder how an older man's choice of attire can impact his attractiveness? Let's explore that. It's not about chasing the latest trends or trying to dress like the younger generation. Instead, it's about understanding what works for you and owning it with confidence. The right style can speak volumes about who you are and subtly indicates that you are comfortable in your own skin. Whether it's a classic suit that fits just right or casual wear that looks effortlessly put together, it's about choosing clothes that enhance your best features. It's about balance in blending sophistication with comfort and classic with a hint of modern. Fashion sense in older men is more than mere clothing. It's a form of self-expression, showing that you know yourself and are unafraid to present that to the world. It shows a level of self-awareness and comfort with one's identity that is highly attractive. A keen fashion sense is about showcasing your personality in a way that is both authentic and visually appealing. It's not just dressing well, but dressing smart, and understanding that what you wear is an extension of your personality. And that kind of self-assuredness and elegance can be incredibly appealing to younger women. 6. Nice smile and good teeth. A nice smile, backed by good teeth, is an instant game changer in how you're perceived. But what makes it so crucial in the eyes of younger women? Let's explore. A genuine smile radiates warmth and approachability, making you seem more personable and engaging. It's not just about flashing your teeth, it's the sincerity behind the smile that counts. A natural, easy smile can break barriers, making those around you feel at ease. It suggests you're friendly and open to meaningful interactions, qualities that are highly attractive. Taking care of your teeth is just as important. They don't need to be perfect, but they should be well maintained. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups are key. Consider using whitening toothpaste to keep your smile bright. These habits reflect self-care and show that you pay attention to the little details. Remember, your smile is one of your most influential nonverbal tools in social interactions. A well-cared-for set of teeth enhances your smile, boosting your confidence. When you feel confident about your smile, it shows, and confidence is magnetic. Whether you're engaging in a casual chat or a deep conversation, a nice smile and good teeth can leave a lasting positive impression, elevating your attractiveness in the eyes of younger women. And now, for our bonus tip, let's talk about something unexpectedly attractive: your forearms. It's surprising but true. Why are forearms so appealing to younger women? Let's dive into this. Forearms might not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about physical attractiveness. However, they subtly signal strength and capability, traits highly valued by many women. Rolling up your sleeves to reveal your forearms can be an understated yet effective way to catch someone's attention. It's not about having muscular forearms like a bodybuilder. It's the suggestion of strength and the hint of ruggedness that counts. This subtle showcase of your forearms speaks volumes. It hints at your ability to handle physical tasks, suggesting a blend of practicality and strength. A man with capable forearms is often perceived as a doer who can take charge and handle situations, which is inherently attractive. So, next time you're dressing up, consider rolling up your sleeves. It's a simple, effortless gesture, but it can make a significant impact. Remember, sometimes the most attractive qualities are those that are shown with a hint of subtlety and confidence. Now you know what physical traits younger women adore. What's next for you? Discover the habits younger women want in an older guy, or learn how to tell if she likes you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.